This new place is awesome, especially Sun's Diner. It's awesome. Welcome back, everyone. Last time on CFTP, we got a total of 34 votes, 17 towards the cool dudes and another 17 towards the moons. Ooh, and for the cool dudes, whoever got the most votes will be eliminated from the show, aka being the fifth boot in CFTP. And for the two moons, whoever got the most votes, ironically enough, will stay in CFTP. Oh yeah, and also another thing, prizes for elimination will be discontinued because, I mean, come on now, the prize kind of is being safe from being eliminated. And also, we're not gonna do prizes for the first person safe anymore too, because it kind of feels like a bit much. Anyways, we're here. Bowling ball, cotton ball, and dynamite. You three are safe with 0, 2, and 3 votes respectively. Easy. Speedy. One of you will be eliminated from CFTP, and from the looks of it, Cheesy will get to have his cheese drippy for another day because Speedy is eliminated, brah. Cheesy survives with 4 votes while Speedy only got 8 votes, which means Speedy is out of the game. Well, that sucks. I mean, it is my second elimination, but good luck to the person that will win CFTP. Okay, up next for elimination-wise is the two moons. Frozen Moon. One of you will stay in the game as that person got 13 while the other got 4 votes. And the person that got 13 votes is Frozen Moon. Cloned Moon ends up not staying by only receiving 4 votes. What the? This is preposterous. No. Today's challenge will be a concert. The team that has not as great concert will be Oofy, while the team that has the better concert will not be up for elimination. You have a few minutes to come up with your songs. Oh yeah, and another thing. Once someone interrupts you, then you cannot sing anymore. And if you don't think of a song after the time given, then you won't be able to perform. Alright, so, and also, Nut will build a stage for us. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, I got the perfect song for me to sing. The song I plan on singing is Dynamite. Wait, isn't that song created by BTS? Yeah, so what's the point? Well, the thing is their fan base, well, whenever some acronym other that doesn't mean the band is brought up, then they get upset about it. It'll be fine. Be right back. I can't believe that there's another restaurant which would make it a competition. I mean, Son has the audacity to open up a restaurant in my territory.
Well, now hold on 1 second. Technically, Sun's Diner was there before us, and so you shouldn't go over there and, attack him.
Actually, I'm going to do that, so thank you for the idea. Son, prepare to meet your doom. You have lots of nerve to open a restaurant in my territory. Well, I do not want to argue or fight against you. That's not really what I'm about. Hey, can you guys keep it down? I'm trying to set up the arm.
Okay, let's go.
You're so cancelled, son. I'm gonna cancel you and make sure you don't open the Never-Rest-On again. I think we should have explained it to him that the arm was a chicken wing. Alright, contestants, time is up for song ideas. Actually, I didn't come up with any songs yet. Oh well, too bad, because I gave you time to think about it. And that's how you chose to spend your time, so you won't be competing. Okay, yeah, the stage is good to go. Everyone in the city is here for this concert. Let's see what everyone has cooked up with. Well, except Moon, since, he was too busy arguing with Sun over there. We clawed, we chained our hearts in vain. We met, never asking why. We hugged, I fell under your spell. A friendship no one could deny. Don't you say we left, I will always want you. I can't live with us separated, isolated from each other. I will always want you. Go ahead. You need it? We came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. I always wanted was a break of the walls. All that happened was us separated. Yeah.
Hey-ya, bird. Hey-ya, hey-ya, hey-ya. Mockingbird, everybody, have you heard? He's gonna buy me a mockingbird. And
the night I light your shoes on, let's rock and roll King Kong. Kicking the drum, rolling light on like a
farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow. A moo-moo here, a moo-moo there, a moo-moo everywhere, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig.
A cop, or better yet, a Terminator like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Trying to blame me out if my name was Sega, but I ain't going out like no pro, lady dog. Get used to one style and yo, I might switch it up and around and buck you down. Put down your head and you wake up and dawn the dead. I'm gonna get ya, I'm gonna get ya. Spit out lyrics, homie, I'll win it, yeah. I can dig it down, I came to get down, so get up your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and to get down. Jump, 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 everybody. Jump.
Jeez Louise, that was so loud. Oh my gosh.
Despite being loud, Cheesy and his group of the cool dudes ended up having a better performance, in my opinion, meaning that they won the contest, as the wooden robots are oofy, or up for elimination for short, or something like that. You get the idea. This is outrageous.
Hey, I was wondering something.
Yeah?
You know that song that you sung, was that song meant for me?
Yeah, it actually was meant for you, because I want to ask you something.
Yeah, to be honest, I also have something on my mind also.
Okay, you can go first.
Okay, just because I was wondering if you and me want to go out on, a date.
Viewers, vote on one of these wooden robots, except for Moon, who be eliminated from CFTP. The person with the most votes will end up leaving the show, going to the IDK. But yeah, so basically, vote now, because the voting will end on, let's see here, on February 10th, 2025. And Thank you and have a great day.